Hey guys, what's up? So in this live session, we will discuss the important courses for CAT. DILR section of CAT and CAT exam is scheduled to happen in 3 months. So let's see what are the important sections which you need to know. And these courses are prepared by CAT toppers, including CAT 100 percentilers. So you can be rest assured that these are the best courses available, and they will teach you everything which you need to know about data interpretation and logical reasoning for CAT exams. So let's get started. The first course is on linear arrangements, important topic on LR. It talks about concepts as well as the solved examples. So the first lesson is an introduction lesson, and the second lesson is basics of linear arrangement. The third lesson talks about examples of linear arrangement, and fourth talks about the solved examples, and fifth lesson have a lot of MCQs on linear arrangement. By the way, if you want to teach at an academy, you can download an Academy Educator app from the description below, and just make a demo and start teaching right away. Okay, so this is a great course, and it is developed by Abhinav Srivastav, and you can watch this course on an academy. Links of all the courses are provided in the description below. The second course here is made by on data interpretation and logical reasoning for CAT 2017 by a CAT 100 percentiler. His name is Nilanjal Datta, and he teaches CAT aspirants offline also. And if somebody is securing 100 percentiler, that is the maximum percentile which you can get in an exam, so he must be knowing what he is trying to do. So he will finish this course very soon, and it will have around 20 lessons which will talk about everything which you need to know to crack the DILR section of CAT. So it will be really beneficial to you, so do watch it. Okay, then the third course is on logical reasoning problems, overall problems for CAT exams, and this course is made by Shruti. So in this course she talks about calendars, a lot of exercises are there, a lot of MCQs have been solved by her. Then you have clocks, then you have sequencing, and finally you have distribution. So these are the 4 topics which she covers in this logical reasoning problem for CAT exams. So I would suggest that you watch this course, and it will really help you a lot. Okay, then the fourth course for us is today's analytical puzzles, linear and circular setting arrangements. So this course is made by Gurpreet Singh. He has cleared CAT exams. So he talks about the linear setting arrangement basics. He starts with tips and tricks. Then he talks about the practice session of linear setting arrangement. Then there is circular setting arrangement basics, and then there is circular setting arrangement practice session. So these are the topics which are covered in this lesson, and if you watch for 1 hour, you will be able to master this particular domain. So please watch, please share as much as possible, so that it reaches the right person who is in desperate need of such courses. Then Chaitanya is an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, and he has made 2 courses. The first course is Learn How to Bell CAT Logical Reasoning Part 1. So he talks about overall of logical reasoning for CAT, then tricks to solve the problems on cubes, trip to solve the problems of painted cubes, then understanding the approach to solve the questions on Venn diagrams, then trick to approach minimum maximum questions in Venn diagrams, finding the right combinations in distribution problems, and then acing the matrix method to solve distribution problems, understanding the right approach to solve distribution problems, understanding the ways to crack the network logic, deeper understanding on network logics, and simple ways to solve questions on linear arrangement. So these are the topics which Chaitanya discusses. So in his first course, that is the part 1 of logical reasoning. Again, like he is an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, so he knows what he is talking about because he has given the exam and he has been through that process. Then the part 2 of the course, again the link is given. So it talks about approach to solving binary logic problems, then tricks to solving binary logical problems of advanced level, then approach to solve questions on linear arrangement, then circular arrangement, part 1 and part 2. Then you have deductions, then you have logical connectives, and you have orders and sequencing. So these are the lessons list in the logical reasoning till now. Then you have a course on tables, that is data interpretation table section, and this is made by Piyush. He is a BTech from IIT Roorkee. So he talks about the basic theory of tables and various solved examples, and this will be definitely helpful in the for the CAT aspirants. Okay, then there is one course which is dedicated for data interpretation for CAT exams, and it covers the overview of most of the data interpretation question. So Aman Kumar has made this course, and he has cracked CAT thrice with 99.3, 99.9, and 99.97 percentile. Okay, so in this course he is an IIM Ahmedabad again alumnus. So it starts with introduction to data interpretation, data and its sources. Then it talks about tables, introduction and types of questions. Then worked out examples on tables. Then introduction to types of charts. Then pie charts, introduction and types of questions, comparing pie charts, pi of pi. Then solved out examples on pie charts, introductions and types of questions on histograms. Then revisiting mean, median and mode, and worked out examples on histograms. So this is covered in the data interpretation for CAT 2016. A lot of thousands of CAT aspirants have watched this course, so you should definitely give it a try. It will really help you. Then the part 2 of the data interpretation course is again made by the same person, Aman Kumar. So in this he talks about bar charts, introduction and types of questions, then bar charts, worked out examples, then line charts, introductions and types of questions, then line charts, then radar charts, then caselets, and then a lot of mixed problems and data sufficiency problems, introduction, examples, and finally he concludes his course with a summary. So you should combine these courses. It will definitely help you in your CAT exams which you are planning to give. Then we have the 10th course for today, that is the data interpretation or data sufficiency questions for CAT aspirants. This is made by Shekhar Sinha. He is an MBA from IMT Ghaziabad. So he starts with introduction to data sufficiency, then he takes beginner level questions, then medium level questions, and then advanced level questions, and then he solves 5 previous year CAT papers, and then he solves some questions very quickly, and then he talks about important points to remember. Okay, then you have important previous year question papers and reasoning questions for CAT. This is made by Sanchit Gupta, and he is a great CAT educator. So he talks about all the previous year question papers which has come in the recent past. So he solved the entire DILR section, and it will help you to hone your own skills before you actually appear in the exam hall. Okay, then you have an important course on learning Venn diagrams. So if you want to learn Venn diagrams, it is made by Amar. He is an IITian again, and he starts with the basic concepts of Venn diagrams. Then he starts with Venn diagrams for 2 variables, then he starts with Venn diagrams for 3 variables, Venn diagrams for 4 variables, then he talks about examples on Venn diagrams, and finally the course concludes with the course summary. Okay, so the course number 13, that is the second last course which I am suggesting to you, is it has solved question bank for logical reasoning. It is again made by Amar, and it has lot of questions on arrangements, rankings, etc., and it will help you to crack the CAT exam. It will help you to gauge where it is going to be, and it will really help you a lot if you can just read these arrangements and rankings questions. Okay, so it will help you to crack the exam. Okay, then you have the last course for today is the 14th number course, and it talks about logical reasoning questions for CAT. Again, like, this is made by Minali Goyal, and she talks about linear arrangement, basics of circular arrangement basic level, circular arrangement difficult level. Such courses are made, and she's an MBA from IIM Indore, so you can follow her courses also. And the last course is also by her, and it covers the important topics for CAT part 2, and this is by Shekhar Sinha, and he talks about cause and effect reasoning. Then he starts with the easy questions, then he starts to with the medium, advanced, then he goes on to with introduction to statements, arguments, then practice question on statements, easy, medium and advanced level, then introduction to statements, assumptions, then practice questions on assumptions, easy, medium and advanced level, and then introduction to theme detection, practice question on theme detection, and previous year question papers are also discussed, and a lot of miscellaneous questions are also discussed. So guys, if you want us to make any particular course on CAT preparation or anything else, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to teach anything at all in any domain whatsoever, then I'll humbly request you to please download the Unacademy Educator app, make a demo video and start teaching. Okay, So thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day.